Hi mates, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to record sound from your computer without stereo mix. So let's don't waste any more time, let me show you how to do it. Here is how. Just open your browser like this and then search for Audacity, download here, and yeah, that's actually the official site of Audacity. So now just click here, Audacity for Windows, then click on Audacity 2.4.2 installer from here, and then if you have a Windows, just download from Windows. You can download it from Mac, for Linux you can download it as a Windows zip and others. Just click on download from Windows, but I've already downloaded it because I don't want to waste your time. So as you can see, it's here. So when it's ready, just double click it and click on run. Choose the language and then click next. Choose where you want to install it, and yeah, as you can see now I've already installed it, so I don't need it. So just I need to cancel it. Yeah, so when it's done, just open the program. Here is Audacity, and but what to do now, how to adjust how to adjust it to record a sound from your computer without stereo mix. Just click here on MME I mean, and click on Windows WASAPI like this, and choose your microphone, this microphone, and the speakers. Yeah, so let's now record some audio. Let's play this song, and as you can see now it's recording this audio, and when you click here it stopped recording. So that was how to record a sound of your computer without stereo mix. It was funny, and yep, I hope I helped you out, and if it was like that, you can give a like, and also don't be hesitant to leave your problems, your questions down below the video in the comments, and who knows, maybe someday I will try to respond and to help you. So yeah, see you next video. Bye.